Miss Turner's class. You need help with homework? It's Miss Turner's class. I got you. It's Miss Turner's class. What about if you didn't understand something in class? It's Miss Turner's class. I got you.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we are focusing on Module 3, Lesson 7, where we're going to continue multiplying using discs. However, we are also going to incorporate a new method for multiplying, and it's called partial product. So as you guys can see on my screen, a partial product is finding part of your product and then the other part of your product, and then combining those two parts or more in order to find your total product. Let's go ahead and apply this to our first problem. But before we do, y'all, I want y'all to think back to last week when we were focusing on, or our previous lesson, when we were focusing on how to rename that multiplication symbol. When multiplying using discs, the multiplication symbol means what? Who thinks they remember? Does it mean A, times, B, multiplied by, C, groups of, or D, divided by? Let's see who was listening. Yes, it means C, groups of. So whenever we see a multiplication sentence symbol, it means we're making groups of that number. Let's go ahead and apply this concept to our first problem. So in our first problem, it says drag the discs to solve and then write a matching expression. We're going to write that matching expression using a partial product, but right now I want us to focus on our place value chart. In the number 43, how many groups, before I ask that question, how many groups of 43 am I going to be making in this problem? Yeah, two groups. And in the number 43, how many ones do I have and how many tens do I have? I have blank ones, I have blank tens. Fill in those blanks for me. Yes, I have three ones and I have 4 tens. And I know I'm making two groups of 4 ones, 3 ones, 4 tens. So there's my first group of 3 ones, 4 tens. Here's my second group of 3 ones, 4 tens. Now let's go ahead and count our discs in each place value. So when I'm counting my discs, you guys, I know that I'm going to put my number at the very bottom. So go ahead, count your ones. How many ones do I have? Good. 6 ones. And how many tens do I have? Good. 8 tens. So I know that my product is 86. 8 tens, 6 ones. Let's go ahead and find the same product using a different method, this time using a partial product. As a reminder, y'all, I know in the number 43, I have 3 ones, and I'm going to start in my ones place. I know I'm making two groups of 3 ones, or 2 times 3. How many ones do I now have? Good, 6 ones, or just 6. And now I'm in the tens place. Remember, I'm making two groups of 4 tens, or 2 times 4. How many tens do I have? Good, 8 tens. And how do I write 8 tens in standard form? Oh, you guys are so smart. Yeah, 80. And now I'm just going to add them together. Starting in my ones, 6 plus 0. Good, 6. And then nothing plus 8. Good, 8. In both of these problems, or both of these methods, we got 86 as our product. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing for our next problem. Before we do, that was really easy, y'all. That was super, super easy. All we did was just count our discs. Sometimes it's not going to be that easy. Let's think back to that song that Miss Turner sang to us, because sometimes we're going to have to do this in order to figure out our product. The song went something like, makes a I know for sure. Draw your and draw more. Do you think you could fill in those blanks for me? Can you do that for me, please? You think you got it? Well, sing it. Yes. 10 makes a bundle. I know for sure. Draw your arrow and draw one more. So sometimes, y'all, if we have 10 or more in one place value, we're going to have to bundle. We're going to have to bundle. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and apply this concept to our second half of our work today. So it says drag the discs to solve, write a matching partial product expression. So we did this in our first part. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing. I'm multiplying 3 times 43, or 3 blanks of 43. Fill in those blanks for me. 3. Good. 3 groups of 43. So there's my first group of 43. There's my second group of 43. And there's my third group of 43. Same as before. Count your discs in your ones place. Tell me what you get. How many ones did you get? Good. 9 ones. And now I'm in my tens place. How many tens do you have? Yeah, 12 tens. Can I have 12 tens? Can I have 12 discs in one place value? No. So what do I need to do? Bundle. Good. Let's count my group of 10, because remember, a bundle is a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bundle. 10 makes a bundle, I know for sure. Draw my arrow and draw one more. Now how many 10s do I have left? Good. 2 10s are left. And how many hundreds do I now have? Good. 100. Now let's go ahead and do the same problem, this time using our partial product. Still starting in our ones, I have 3 times 3 ones, because I'm making 3 groups of 3 ones. What's my product? Good. 9 ones, or just 9. And now I'm in the tens place. 3 times 4 tens, or 3 groups of 4 tens. How many tens would I have? Good. 12 tens, or how would I write 12 tens in standard form? Good. 120. And now let's add our partial products. 9 plus 0. Easy peasy. 9. Nothing plus 2. 2. And nothing plus 1. 1. Good job. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing for part B. Remember, we're going to start off with our place value chart. 4 times 43, or 4 blanks of 43. Fill in that blank for me. Yes, 4 groups of 43. 4 tens, 3 ones. There's one group of 43. There's 2 groups. There's 3. And there's 4. Count my ones for me. How many ones do I have? Yeah, I got the same thing. I got 12 ones. Can I have 12 discs in one place value? I sure can't. So what do I need to do? Bundle. Remind me, a bundle is a group of? How many discs are in a bundle? Yes, a bundle is a group of 10. Count my 10 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 makes a bundle, I know for sure. Draw my arrow and draw one more. How many ones do I have left? Good. 2 ones. And let's go ahead and count my 10s. How many 10s do I have? Yeah, I got the same thing, y'all. I got 17. Can I have 17 discs in one place value? I sure can't, so what do I need to do? Bundle! Let's go ahead and count my group of 10. Get ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 makes a bundle, I know for sure. Draw my arrow and draw one more. How many 10s do I have left now? Good, 7 10s are left. And then how many hundreds do I have? Good, 100. Now let's go ahead and solve the same problem using our partial product. Starting in my ones, 4 groups of 3 ones, or 4 times 3 ones. How many ones do I have? Good, 12 ones, or just 12. And now I'm in my tens place. 4 groups of 4 tens, or 4 times 4 tens. How many tens do I have? 16 tens. And how do I write 16 tens in standard form? Yes, 160. Starting in my ones, let's go ahead and add our partial products. 2 plus 0. Easy peasy. 2. 1 plus 6. Good. 7 and nothing plus 1. Good. 1. We got 172 both times. All right, y'all. Until next time.